children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Take out your workbook, page number 5. Yes, lesson number 10, workbook part. You have to write. Okay. The first one, multiple choice question. Which of the following animals does not live in a group? It is elephant, tiger, deer. Okay children? Bison. Which one is correct children? Yes, it is B. It is B. Tiger. Yeah. Second one. Which of the following animals sleeps continuously for many days during the summer season? Which animal children? Yes, it is crocodile. The 4 options are given here. Which one is correct? You have to write. A. Bear. B. Bat. C. Crocodile. D. Ground squirrel. Which one is correct? C. Yes. Fill in the blanks children. Dash has a long nose developed into a trunk. It is elephant. It is elephant. Yes. The fourth one. Tigers have ears facing forward. Facing forward. Yes. And fifth one children, very short answer. This is very short answer question. Fifth one. Name the animal that marks its area by rubbing itself against the plants in that area. Which one children? It is leopard. It is leopard. Yes. And the sixth one children. Name any one animal which lives in group. You can write deer, elephant, any one you have to write. It is elephant. Yes. And seventh one children, name the following animals that do not live in one place throughout the year. Does not live in one place throughout the year. The first one, what it is children? Salmon. It is fish. And Siberian crane. Siberian crane it is. Okay. And the next one children, eighth one, true or false? Monkeys have long tails which help them to jump from one tree to another. Yes, it is true. It is true. And ninth one children, the young ones of animals are not looked after if living in groups. It is false. Ninth one. And tenth one, animals living in cold regions have the thin hair to protect themselves from the cold. No, it is false. It is false. And the 11th one children, area marking prevents an animal from entering into another animal's area. Yes, it is true. It is true. Yes. Just I'll move aside children. You please take the screenshot of these answers. MCQ. Yes. And fill in the blanks. Very short answer question, short answers, true or false. Yes children, short answer questions. 12th one, how is the trunk useful to elephants? Yes, the trunk of elephants, the trunk of elephants helps them to pick up food, and put it into their mouth. It also helps to take up enough water for drinking, and bathing. Drinking and bathing. Yes. And 13th one, children. State any one benefit that animals have by living in groups. Any one benefit you have to write. Okay. By living in groups. Animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. Yes. Okay, children. And 12th one. How is the trunk useful to elephants? The trunk of elephants helps them to pick up food and put it into their mouth. It also helps to take up enough water for drinking and bathing. Yes, I am reading the answer once again, children. The trunk of elephants helps them to pick up food and put it into their mouth. It also helps to take up enough water for drinking and bathing. I am repeating the answer once again, children. The trunk of elephants helps them to pick up food and put it into their mouth. It also helps to take up enough water for drinking and bathing. Yes, and the 13th one, children. State any one benefit that animals have by living in groups. By living in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. By living in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. By living in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. I am repeating the answer once again. By living in groups, animals can protect themselves better from their enemies. Yes, just I'll move aside, children. You can take the screenshot of these answers. Fourteenth one, children. Draw a fish and label the diagram of and describe two features that help a fish to move easily in water. Yes, you have to draw the fish. Yes. A. What it is, children? The body is covered with the scales instead of hair. Yes. This is what. Yes. And the shape of its body is such that it can swim easily. Help of this, it can swim easily. Yes. Okay, children. A means the body is covered with scales instead of hair. And B, and this is A, this is D. The shape of its body is such that it can swim easily. Yes. Just I'll move aside, children. You take the screenshot of this 14th answer. Fifteenth one, children, multiple choice questions. Yes. What does the given picture show? What does the given picture show? Yes. What it is? A shelter for animals. A home for human beings. A group of animals. Yes, a group of human beings. A shelter for animals. This is what the shelter for animals means. The birds will live. Yes. Okay, and it's a shelter for animals. Which of the following statements is not correct? It is option D. Animals do not need any kind of protection from the weather. Yes, which one is correct? The D. Yeah. And